My name is Taquasia on all of your platforms, and today we're talking credit, baby. If you want to repair your credit, we're no longer paying people to do our credit for us because if you made the mess, you got to clean it up. First and foremost, make sure your personal information is clear and correct. You only one name, one address, one phone number. If those things are not correct, you will not be able to dispute things because those addresses as well as those names are connected to that dispute, which means you're going to continue to get rejected until you clear that up. If you guys have questions about how to fix your credit, comment below.